So this is the part B of the video because someone called in the middle. So we did the mixing up of the boxes. So now you get to pick one of them. Which one do you want to open?
I mean, I feel like most people would want to open the largest one because that's kind of the most exciting one.
I'm always curious.
But at the
you have to
same
go
time,
with your heart.
But my heart tells me to open one of the smaller ones, and I want to go with this one.
That one. Excellent. You have to go with your heart.
Oh.
So there's your scalpel. Just remember not to cut.
Should the camera be? Should it be visible for the camera? Try opening it.
Whatever. But you want to hold it like
that's
this.
kind of the whole point.
You want to hold the scissors like this probably, because then it'll be easier. So you want to hold like that, and then cut across.
Like this?
Like this, and then cut like that. Just don't cut your fingers.
I can't promise anything.
You can't promise
Can't
anything?
promise anything.
That's a frightening thought. Hold on while we sign the disclaimer. If he cuts his fingers, we add it to our bones and ribs collection in the museum.
Then it should be the middle finger, just to make it more funny. Should that be enough?
What I would do is I'd cut this edge,
oh, yeah.
that edge there. I don't want your finger in my way.
Okay. Should I hold it? Oh, careful.
And then I would cut this edge there. Maybe.
And this one as well, right?
Yeah. It's a very interesting box. Like origami. I think it turns into a pterodactyl.
Is that it? Looks like it should.
Try that. It might work. I mean, the way it looks to me is this thing here is another flap. Or is it? This thing here is another flap.
Alright. Oh, wow.
So that might do something for you. Oh, there, yeah, that was definitely the flap. And then you want, if you cut over there, go ahead. You want to do it? You have the honor.
It's hard to hold them like this, though.
I'm used to it because I do it so much. Alright, looks like it did it.
Ta-da!
Yay.
It's a bunch of paper.
I buy lots of paper. So there's a book in there, it looks like.
No, I think it's like a DVD or something.
Yeah.
Because it's really light for a book.
Cut the edge there, and cut the edge there. Okay. Let's see what happens.
I mean, this is the best part because you can like pop the bubble.
Don't pop up bubbles.
Oh, sorry. It's very satisfying.
I know it is.
I think in Japan it's like there's like a therapy or something dedicated to that. I studied in Japan, so.
Did you?
Yeah,
Wow.
for a couple of years.
Ah, interesting.
It's a ladder.
It's this is from Magic Lanterns.
Wow.
This is, I believe, how to make your own magic lanterns. Let me try to open it.